In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up different memberships on Wix. 2026 guide. So we'll start by adding the tool that powers memberships. Open your Wix site editor and head to the app market, the Add Apps icon on the left. Search for Wix pricing plans and click Add to Site. Wix will automatically create a plans and pricing page for you, which becomes your public storefront for memberships. Think of this as the place visitors compare tiers and choose the one that fits them. Next, move from designing to managing. Exit the editor to return to your main Wix dashboard. You'll see a new pricing plans tab. Click it, then select Get Started. This dashboard is where you'll create plans, set prices, and manage members over time. Now let's build your tiers. Click. Create plan in the top right corner. Give your plan a clear, compelling name like bronze, silver, or gold, and write a description that spells out what members actually get. Be specific about benefits to reduce confusion and refunds. You can also add an image to help visitors visually distinguish the tiers. Under pricing options, choose how you want to charge. Free plans are great for lead generation. One-time payment works well for fixed-term access, like a 90-day program. Recurring payments unlock subscriptions, monthly, yearly, and beyond, and you can enable a free trial to lower the barrier to entry or add a setup fee if onboarding has extra costs. Save your plan and repeat for each tier you offer. With your plans ready, return to the plans and pricing page in the editor. Click the pricing widget and open settings. Here you can fine-tune the layout, align titles, and style your buttons so they match your brand. Use the Highlight a Plan feature to draw attention to your best value option. This can quickly guide visitors toward the plan you most recommend. To make memberships meaningful, protect premium content. Go to Pages and Menu, open the three dots next to a page, and select Settings. Under Permissions, choose Members Only, then select Only Selected Members or Paying Customers. Pick the specific plan, say Silver, to grant access. Repeat this for any page or section you want to reserve for certain tiers. This is how you turn plans into real benefits. Finally, to accept payments, you'll need a Wix Premium plan that supports online payments. Without that upgrade, your plans can exist, but you won't be able to charge for them. That's it for this guide. If you found it helpful, consider setting up your tiers now while everything's fresh. Thanks for watching.